Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the key obstacles in sustaining strong conversion rate performance in a contact center. Let's talk about one of the silent killers of conversion performance, lead fatigue and data decay. When the same lead lists are overused, customers have already been pitched multiple times. Their interest fades, their resistance increases, and your conversations lose impact. At the same time, CRM data decays fast, people change jobs, phone numbers expire, and customers churn. What was a good lead a few months ago may now be completely irrelevant. The result? Conversion rates steadily decline if leads aren't refreshed and validated regularly. To sustain high performance, lead hygiene and data refresh must be a continuous, not occasional, strategy. Fresh data means fresh opportunities and sustained results. Another major obstacle to sustaining strong conversion performance is agent turnover and skill variability. When attrition is high, you're not just losing headcount, you're losing your top closers, the people who consistently turn conversations into outcomes. And replacing them isn't easy. New or undertrained agents often struggle with objection handling, persuasion, and closing techniques. This naturally pulls down overall conversion rates, no matter how strong your strategies or tools are. The key to overcoming this is ongoing coaching, targeted skill development, and smart retention efforts. Because sustainable conversion isn't built on individual star performers, it's built on a well-trained, stable, and confident team. Let's look at another critical challenge: offer irrelevance. Even the best-trained agents and strongest scripts can't overcome a weak or outdated offer. Over time, products and services may lose their appeal because of price competition, shifting customer needs, or simple market saturation. When the offer no longer feels valuable or competitive, its persuasion power drops sharply. To sustain conversion performance, offers must evolve with the market, refreshed pricing, better bundles, or added value that speaks to current customer priorities. In short, great execution can't save a weak offer. Relevance is the real driver of persuasion. Another powerful force that erodes conversion performance over time is customer skepticism and call avoidance. In today's world, customers are constantly bombarded with sales, marketing, and collections calls. This leads to consumer fatigue, where they become more guarded, skeptical, or simply tune out entirely. As a result, more customers ignore or reject sales attempts, not necessarily because the offer is bad, but because they're tired of being pitched. To counter this, contact centers need smarter targeting, authentic conversations, and omni-channel engagement strategies that build trust instead of triggering resistance. Winning conversions today isn't about more calls, it's about better, more meaningful interactions. Let's talk about a crucial and often underestimated obstacle: compliance and regulatory pressures. Laws like Telephone Consumer Protection Act, General Data Protection Regulation, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India regulations, and strict do not call rules place tight restrictions on outreach. These regulations are designed to protect consumers, but they also limit dialing flexibility, reduce outreach windows, and add layers of verification and consent. All of this can slow down the sales flow, impacting conversion velocity even when the strategy and team are strong. Sustaining high conversion in this environment means building compliance into the process, not treating it as a hurdle. Smart, compliant operations protect the business while enabling steady, sustainable growth. Another hidden but powerful obstacle to sustaining conversion performance is operational inconsistency. Even the best strategies can fall apart when agents apply scripts unevenly or deviate from proven processes. A single missed step in framing, objection handling, or offer presentation can turn a potential yes into a lost opportunity. Add to that weak QA monitoring, and best practices slip through the cracks unnoticed. Over time, this inconsistency compounds, and conversion rates begin to slide. The key is tight process control, consistent coaching, and strong quality assurance that ensures every interaction reflects the best version of the strategy. Because sustained conversion isn't just about what you do, it's about doing it right every single time. Let's address another critical barrier to sustaining conversion success: technology gaps. When your CRM isn't fully integrated, your dialers lag, or your AI tools are limited, agents lose precious time navigating systems instead of focusing on the customer. These inefficiencies don't just slow the process, they cost you opportunities. Without real-time assist features like knowledge snippets, guided replies, or pricing calculators, agents may struggle to respond quickly and confidently in key moments. And in sales or collections, those moments matter most. Closing this gap means equipping teams with seamless, intelligent technology that enhances speed, accuracy, and impact. Because in today's contact center, technology isn't just support, it's a conversion enabler. Let's talk about a factor that's often beyond the contact center's direct control: customer economic conditions. During macroeconomic downturns, disposable income shrinks, purchasing decisions slow down, and customers become more cautious about spending or paying off debts. Even your best agents, armed with the right training and tools, can face declining conversion rates in these tougher market climates. The key isn't to push harder, it's to adapt smarter. Rethink offer structures to align with customers' financial realities. Introduce flexible payment options or value-based incentives. Focus on empathy and relationship building over hard selling. Because in challenging economic times, trust and flexibility become your strongest conversion levers. Another significant obstacle in sustaining high conversion rates is competition and market noise. Today's customers are constantly bombarded with similar offers from multiple providers, whether it's sales, service upgrades, or collections options. This creates a crowded, noisy marketplace where your message risks blending into the background. When customers don't see a clear reason to choose you over others, conversion rates naturally drop. The way to break through this noise is simple but powerful: differentiate your value proposition. Highlight what makes your offer unique: better pricing, added value, superior service, or a seamless experience. In a competitive landscape, standing out isn't optional, it's the only way to keep conversion performance strong. Let's talk about one of the most human, yet most critical, obstacles to sustaining conversion performance: agent motivation. Conversion campaigns are high-pressure environments. Every day, agents face targets, objections, and rejections. Over time, if incentives weaken or recognition fades, motivation naturally dips. And when motivation dips, closure rates follow. Even the most skilled agent can't sustain peak performance without feeling valued, supported, and rewarded. To maintain momentum, contact centers need to build consistent motivation systems, performance-based incentives, public recognition, gamification, and meaningful career growth paths. Because conversion success isn't just about strategy or tools, it's powered by driven, motivated people. Let's bring it all together with a clear view of the biggest challenges in sustaining conversion rate over time. First, data issues like lead fatigue and data decay. silently weaken performance if not actively managed. Second, workforce issues, including agent turnover, fluctuating motivation, and skill gaps, can erode hard won gains if not addressed through strong retention and development strategies. Third, external pressures, from compliance regulations to customer skepticism and changing economic conditions, create an environment where conversions are harder to secure. And fourth, process and technology issues, inconsistent scripting, weak tech integration, or lack of QA monitoring can chip away at conversion performance even when everything else is strong. In short, conversion rate is never set and forget. Sustaining it demands continuous investment in data refresh, agent development, offer evolution, and technology enablement. That's how contact centers move from short-term wins to long-term, scalable success. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.